What's good, Furman? We are all in here at home, number 23, ranked in the country. The students have packed the section out. Freshmen are definitely representing, all the way to upperclassmen. We appreciate you guys coming out. Let's have a good game. We're 10-0. Let's keep the streak alive, baby. Nate City Chief, I'm your DJ, and we're gonna keep this party going.
I'm Kelly, I'm from RLC, and we're out here on study day giving away pretzels for the students. They're in the library studying right now, so we decided to provide them with a little treat. We do a study night every single month, so we decided to do ours today to spread a little cheer before exams start.
The Moonlight Breakfast is a Furman tradition that occurs every exam week when the faculty and staff come out and serve breakfast to the students as a way to encourage and say thank you for a great semester. Nancy Cooper here is in charge of the tables.
And that's the most fun because I get to have one-on-one conversations with the students as I'm clearing the tables. And I think another thing that's so good about it is our faculty and staff come and everybody participates and we're all